In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can do a reverse Google image search on your mobile phone. So for Android users, you want to head to the Google Play Store, and for iOS users, you want to head to the Apple App Store, and then you want to search for an app called Google Lens. And as you can see, here's Google Lens app, and I do have it installed, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And now you can see at the top right there's a little image icon. You want to tap on that image. That's going to take you to your gallery, and you can select an image that you want to do a reverse Google search on, and now it's going to be looking for the results. And as you can see, it populated some results for that image that I selected. So that is how you do a reverse Google image search on your mobile phone. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.